Okay, so these are all the conditions where a fire can cause and fire can happen. Then to prevent, you should always be careful while handling crackers, then gas lighters, matchsticks. So such things which are easily catching fire, such things you should be very careful of. Then you should not let the firecrackers burn without the supervision of a adult. Always tell your brothers, sisters, and you also yourself should take some person with you. After that only you will burn the crackers. Also, as I said, electrical appliances, electrical wiring at your home should be regularly checked by the electrician so that there is no electrical fault and no accident happens. We should also wear cotton clothes while burning of crackers. Now what happens? The synthetic and the nylon clothes, those are man-made clothes actually. So those are man-made fibers and they are very very flammable. वो जल्दी से आग पकड़ लेते हैं. Not that कि cotton नहीं जलेगा. Cotton also burns but it takes time. Whereas nylon and synthetic clothes, they easily catch fire. And so when you are burning crackers, don't wear such nylon clothes, synthetic clothes. Don't wear very loose clothes. Okay, you burn the cracker and you run fast. So your clothes should be very good enough that you can run fast. Okay. Mostly we burn crackers during Diwali, and in Diwali we wear very nice clothes, isn't it? A lehenga, choli for girls and kurta, pajama for boys. So what happens? We don't wear them every day. So we are not very used to them. So while running you are having problems. So change your clothes into comfortable clothes and then burn the crackers. In this way you will also see to it that you are very comfortable while running away from the crackers after they are lit. Okay. So this is one method you can take in mind and behave as per so there is no accident happening. In case of gas leak, if there is a gas leak you will smell it. Okay, smell aata hai. So what you have to do then? Open all the doors and windows of your house and whatever electrical appliances or whatever sockets or whatever switches are on off, don't touch them. कुछ भी टच ना मत करो. किसी को चालू मत करो, किसी अप्लायंस को बंद मत करो, कुछ मत करो. Okay, why? Because as I said, gas is leaked, it is everywhere. When you put on the switch या put off the switch, spark happens inside. Okay, and this spark will cause the explosion. So when there is a gas leak, when you smell gas, you just open the doors and windows and let that gas out of your house. Okay. No other thing you have to do, just open windows and doors and then call the agency, gas agency, saying we have a gas leak, तो please आप आके repair करके जाओ, है ना? Why has that gas leaked? You have to find that reason and repair it. So do that, okay? But don't touch any electrical appliances while you smell gas around you, okay? Then faulty gas pipes also. Some people must be having gas pipeline. So you should always call the agency and get those pipes also checked from time to time. Sometimes because of rain and all, the pipes can get damaged. So you should call the gas agency and get those pipes also checked regularly. By this you will prevent yourself from getting into an accident. Okay, so these are all the preventive measures you can take, safety measures. Okay, now next is putting out fire. Now suppose there is a fire. Okay, there is a fire. आग लग गई है. अब क्या करेंगे? What to do then? So when there is a fire, you should cover the victim. Victim means the person who is burning or who is getting hurt. Okay, so if there is a huge fire and the person is burning, you should wrap that person with a blanket and roll him on the floor. What happens because of this is the blanket which is wrapped around, and while rolling the person on the floor with the blanket, the oxygen supply gets stopped. Without oxygen, fire cannot burn. Okay, oxygen is there in the air. So when I am rolling the person with the blanket on him, the person will not get enough supply of oxygen, and so the fire will put out. Okay, fire will go off. वो जलना बंद हो जाएगा fire, and then we can immediately take the person to the hospital. You will have to take the person to the hospital immediately in case of a major fire, major burns, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा जल जाने पर you will have to go to the hospital. Now many a times while your mother is cooking, or when you are in the kitchen and you touch something very hot, है ना, even if it is very little bit, your finger or your part which is touched to the hot object will burn, isn't it? So in that case you need not go to the hospital. You can apply a cream, antiseptic cream over it. You can also wash that part under cold water first and then apply cream. Okay, after few days it will get okay. Getting me? So that is a minor fire accident, minor injury. So in that case you need not go to any doctor. At home only you can take care of that. Okay. So in such cases we have to not worry too much. You apply the antiseptic cream, you apply the cold cream on it, and it will heal itself. In case of major fires, there are fire extinguishers also used. Fire extinguishers are red colored cylinders and which has carbon dioxide, okay, dry ice it is called. So that is there. With that carbon dioxide you can put out a fire बंद कर सकते हैं, and that is why fire extinguishers are there in the school, in the buildings, okay, so that in case there is an accident, in case there is a fire, वो fire extinguisher we can use for putting out the fire. You have to spray that thing on the fire to put it out. Okay, so that is a fire extinguisher. That is about how you can put out a fire, how you can stop a fire. Okay, next we are going to learn is first aid. What is first aid? First aid is after you get injured, after you are a victim of an accident. What care can you take? What can you do before you reach the doctor? ओके, डॉक्टर तुरंत ही हमें मिलते नहीं हैं, राइट, हम तुरंत ही पहुंच नहीं सकते हैं डॉक्टर के पास. सो आप